Hello everybody. Today we are taking the first lesson of 3D Home Architect Deluxe. This software is to prepare home plans. This software is very simple and easy, which is designed for a layman to learn preparation of computer aided drafting in a very short time. Now today we'll take an example of constructing two rooms plan. Now let us start with already I've opened up the 3D Home Architect software. When you open up, you see the opening screen as it is visible. Here on the top you can see the drop down menu. Drop down menu has different options which I'll explain to you. Below the drop down menu you got the icon menu, which is a replica of drop down menu. All the options which are available in the drop down menu are available in the icon menu. In our first lesson, let us learn the basic things. Few icon menus I will show you. One is the wall, second is the doors, then comes the windows, and later in the beginning we need to know the measurement tool, and then we have got the view tool, and then we have got the zoom tool. These are the few icons which we need to know to prepare simple plan. Now let us start with the wall. When I click the wall icon, you can see the 5 options here. The first option is for the wall, second option is for the railing, third option is for hatching the wall, fourth option is in case you want to split a wall, fifth option is the width of the wall. Here it has got default widths. One is 4 inch, next is 6 inch, next is 8 inch, next we have got the 12 inch. Now let us start with 8 inch wall. So this is 2 inch which we use for railings. Now 4 inch which we use for smaller walls thicknesses, and now 6 inch and then 8 inch. Now let's start drawing a small office which has got an entrance and a main boss chamber, and then it has got a washroom. Now let us start with the entrance. Entrance size, let us take it as 9 by 12. So the height is 12. So you can see the wall length shown on the icon bar, say approximately 12 feet 6 inches. Now the width is, we will take it 9 feet for the entrance room, and then another 12 feet for the office chamber. So it will make 9 plus 12, it will be 21. Now I'll bring down this wall vertical, and then we'll close with the horizontal wall. As I said, we will have two chambers. One is the entrance, the other one is the office chamber. Now here let us not initially worry about the exact dimensions of the room. Let's draw one more wall here. Now to make these internal rooms to the exact dimensions we want, we take the measuring tool and then we incorporate the dimension here. Similarly the vertical dimension. Now let's make the main boss chamber 12 by 12. This is 12 feet, and again I click this wall, and in the center I will hold the wall and drag it little up and keep watching the dimension till it gets to 12 feet. Now this will make it as 9 by 12. Since this is 12, this is also automatically 12. We don't need to worry. So now I'll make this as the 9 inch wall. This is the basic. Now let us prepare one more wall, say smaller wall, which is 4 inch wall. I think you have seen me clicking the wall of my icon. and then I have changed the width of the wall to 4 inches. Now approximately I will draw a wall here. The internal dimension of the wall, let us make it 4 feet. So this is 4 feet. So now it's showing 3 feet 11 inch. Let's hold this wall and drag 1 inch down. And then we'll give a small dress area or a wash basin area outside the washroom. So again we click the wall. Automatically the previous default wall width 4 inches is shown. We'll draw here. We'll make our washroom 4 by 5. So we'll drag one dimension line here. If you have observed, I've clicked the dimension icon here and then I've dragged this. Now I'll make this 5 feet. Now all the dimensions are clear. We'll click the dimensions line and we'll drag it out so that the internal rooms look clean. Okay, and this we know it is 4 by 5. We will just click and delete the internal dimension lines which we don't need. Why we don't need? Because once we put the labels, this software has got a good option. Along with the label, it will show the internal dimension. Let's take this room. Let's label it as bathroom, which is the default label it has got. I double click on this. Then you can see room name. In that you got a drop menu. In this I select bathroom. This is okay. You can see this, it is showing bathroom with 5 by 4. This is too big a dimension. This label we can make smaller. So I double click on the bath label and then this menu pops up. Below you have got the height of the text. I'll make it 6. This set. We got the dimension. Similarly, this one I will label it as the office. I double click on this. The room specification window opens up. Here I select the office. Office is ready. Now I double click here. We get an entrance. So entrance is readily available. This is it. If you don't want to name it as entrance, if you want to name it as reception, you can double click on this. This menu pops up. There text can be edited. I select this and make it a reception. Reception. Now the first part of preparing the walls is over. Now we are going to the doors. So I click on the door icon. By default it will have 13 inch wall door width. I click here. We get a door. Again click second time and drag it to one side so that the door swing goes to the other side. Here I click one more door for entrance into the reception. Again I hold the door and pull the center icon. The door swing has gone to the left, but we want it abutting to the wall on the right. So I hold this side and drag it the other way around. So now we get to it. Similarly for the washroom we need one door. So I provide a door from this area. And again you can see. The washroom width I want to make it 27 inches instead of 30 inches. So I double click this washroom door. This icon pops up. The width of the door I make it 27. This is it. Now I will pull it to one side. Now here we can have a small wash basin. This wash basin area we don't need a door. We can have a small arch opening. So again I click the door. Then I go to the library of the doors available. In this arch openings are available. I take an elliptical arch. I say okay here and then I put it here. Then we can change the width of the arch. I'll make it 30. So in the first part we have learned drawing the walls and then incorporating the doors and then providing the room labels. I will take you a quick summary. We started with preparing a small office plan. First we click the wall icon and then we got the different wall widths. We went to 8-inch width wall. Then we have drawn the outer wall and then we have taken one internal partition 8-inch wall and then we prepared an office room and a entrance room. Then in the entrance room again we went to the wall icon. In the wall icon we clicked the door width, the window, sorry, wall widths, and then we came to the 4-inch wall, and then we have drawn 2 walls, and later we went to the door icon. When we got the doors which are readily available, we have clicked here, we got the door there to the office chamber, then to the reception, and then we have provided a door to the bathroom. And then instead of a door into this small wash area where we'll be having a wash basin, we provided a arch opening. So with this I complete the first lesson. Thank you.